Hello everyone. So let's start solving today's Leetcode daily challenge question. So the question is lemonade change. At a lemonade stand, each lemonade cost rupees 5. Okay, it is dollar 5. Customers are standing in a queue to buy from you and order one at a time. Okay, in the order specified by bills, each customer will only buy one lemonade and pay with either a 5, 10, or 20 bill. Okay, you must provide the correct change to each customer so that the net transaction is that the customer pays 5. Okay, so you do not have any change in the hand first, and we are given with the bills with an array. Okay, as so here we can see five customers are in a queue, and first one gives us 5 rupees, $5. Second one will give us $5, third $5, then 10 and 20. Okay, so we have to return true if we are able to pay return to the customer his or her change. Okay, so for example here the customer giving us 10 units. Okay, so we have to return 5 units to her or the customer, because the lemonade charge is only 5 unit, right? Okay, so in this example, we can see first customer gives us 5 and take one lemonade. Okay, then second also 5, third also 5, because the cost of lemonade is 5 only, so we don't have to return anything. So here the customer gives us 10 units. So we have to return 5 because the cost of lemonade is only 5. So remaining 5 we have to return. So we can see we have already got 5 units with us. So any of one we can return it. So for 20, okay, for 20 we have to return the change as 15. So 15 can be 10 and 5, or 5 5 5. So what we have 10 1 10 and 2 5. So we will give 1 10 and 1 5 to that customer. Okay, so we are able to provide every customer with the correct charge. Okay, so here it is returning true. So if this see the second example, so first customer come and the 5. Okay, so let's consider this example here. Okay, so we'll use the count 5 and count 10. Okay, so why count 5? So we will count number of fives which we got from our customer initially. So from first, second. Okay, so if suppose our first customer gives us 10. So what will be our answer? Directly false, because we don't have any change in the beginning. Okay, so you can say you do not have any change in hand at first. So we'll count number of fives. So initially it is 1, then 2. Okay, then when customer gives us 10 rupees, we will check if we have 5 rupees with us or not. Okay, so we will return 1 5. So we have to decrement this and we will increment this. So we are able to give provide a change to this customer. Next, we our customer is this giving 10. So we can check again, because there is only one option that we are giving 5. Okay, so for 20 uh, we have options, like either we can give 10 plus 5, or we can give 5 plus 5 plus 5. Okay, so for 10 we have to check only count of 5. If it is greater than 0, that means at least one 5 unit is there with us, then we can return it. For this customer we can return this 5 units. And now we got 2 10 units. Okay, and one no 0 5. Okay, so for this customer, we what are possibilities? Either 10 plus 5 or 5 plus 5 plus 5. So we can see we have 2 10, but not a single 5. So we can check with the next option, that is 5 plus 5 plus 5. Also we can see no 5 units are there with us. So we will not able to give change to this customer, we will return false. So we will solve this example using, like, we'll take two variables. One is count 5, okay, and the another variable is count 10. Okay, now for int I 0 to bills dot length I plus plus. Okay, now we will check if bills of I, okay, is equal to 5, then we just increment our count 5. Okay, we don't have to return any change because the customer is giving exact value as the um, lemonade is for. Okay, so else if bills of I, if it is equal to 10, then what we have to check, we will check if count 5 is greater than 0. That means at least one 5 unit is there, okay, with us. So if it is greater than 5, then we will decrement count 5 because we are giving this to customer. Else if we don't have any count any 5, okay, so we will return false because we will not be able to give change to this customer. And at the end we will increment count 10 because we are taking the 10 unit. Okay, now else so what is option? We got 5, 10, and only 20. We have only three this. Okay, you can see either 5, 10, or 20. So now in the 20 case we will check if our count 10 is greater than 0 and our count 5 is greater than 0. That means both are at least one we want, right, from each. That means we want 10 plus 5, so we want count 10 to be at least 1 and count 5 to be at least 1. So if this is the, I mean, we have one we have two, let's say, two 10 and we have one 5, then also it is okay because we will be using one 10 and one 5. So we'll decrement count 10 and we will decrement count 5. Okay, now, okay, else let's say we don't have count 10, so we'll check with the other option. Else if our count 5 should be greater than or equal to 3. Okay, so that means we need at least 3 because 5 plus 5 plus 5, it can be the count of 5. If it is 10 or 15 or 5, we don't care, we only want 3. Okay, to return this customer who is giving 20 to us. Okay, so if it is there, then we will decrement count 5 by 3. Okay, that means we have given this 5 units, three, okay, $5, $5 coin. Okay, so we are giving this to customer as a change. Else, so if any of this condition doesn't satisfy, that means we will not be able to give the change. So in that time, okay, in that time we'll return the false because we are not able to give the provide the change to the customer. And at the end we'll return true because we all the conditions got satisfied and we are able to return change to the all the customers, okay, in the queue. So let's run this code. Yeah, you can see accepted. Now let's submit it. Yeah, our solution got accepted. So in this way you can solve this question using the simple solution that you can, I mean, it is a easy level question. So if you feel this video is helpful to you, then please like this video and subscribe my channel. Stay updated. Thank you so much.